In this video lecture, we are going to see the difference between EBS and EFS and some sample questions that can help you guys to prepare for the AWS Architecture Associate exam. Let's get it started. For EBS, the data is stored in the single AZ. For EFS, data is stored in the multiple AZ. So the keyword is single AZ and multiple AZ. If you see a multiple AZ, ignore EBS completely. EBS volume can be attached to single EC2 instance. This single EC2 instance can be created in single AZ. So one EC2 instance can be attached to one EBS. Multiple EC2 instances cannot be attached to a single EBS. For EFS, many EC2 instances can attach to single EFS, allows the concurrent access. Again, the keyword single EC2 instance, multiple EC2 instance. If it is a multiple EC2 instance wants to access the data in multiple AZ, then EFS could be your answer. What are the use cases? Transaction data, basically your database related information. The data that you want to store in the database could be your EBS, could be your answer. Data warehousing data, boot volume, EBS could be your answer. EFS, big data analytics, media processing, home directories, content management, EFS could be your answer. Let's look into this diagram. As we discussed before, an EC2 instance is attached to one single EBS and it is in one single availability zone. Then it is for EBS. For EFS, multiple EC2 instances access the EFS file share and have concurrent access. Let's look into some sample questions. ABC company uses Amazon Aurora as its database and it has fleet of auto-scaled on-demand EC2 instances. The users are uploading the files which is stored in attached EBS volume. The performance is quite slow and you have been asked to improve the architecture. A company ABC, Aurora has its database, it has multiple EC2 instances. The users are uploading the files which is stored in the EBS volume. Now they want to see the performance is quite slow. They want to improve the architecture. In this scenario, what will you implement? A scalable high throughput POSX compliant file system. The keyword here is files. So whenever you see the file system and you have multiple EC2 instances, the choice could be your EFS. Let's look into the answers. S3, EBS, EFS, none of the above. S3 could be your answer. S3 is meant for object storage. EFS is meant for file storage. And it is attached to an EC2 instance. Then the answer could be your EFS. So the correct choice here is EFS. Second question. Can EBS always tolerate an availability zone failure? Whenever there is a failure in availability zone, can EBS tolerate it or not? The answers are A. No, all EBS volume is stored in a single availability zone. EBS volume is stored in a single availability zone, so it cannot tolerate. This could be a right answer. Yes, EBS volume has multiple copies, so it should be fine. Even though it has multiple copies in an availability zone, even the availability zone goes down, it cannot retain it, so it could not be the answer. Depends on how it is set up. There is nothing you can set it up. It could not be the answer. Depends on the region where EBS volume is initiated. It couldn't be the answer. The answer is it cannot tolerate it because all EBS volume is stored in a single availability zone. This is your answer. Let's look into the third question. A big data analytics company has been building its new generation big data analytics platform and need a storage service that provides the scale and performance of the big data applications. They want that data needs to be stored redundantly across multiple AZ and allows concurrent connections from multiple EC2 instances hosted on multiple AZ. The keyword here is multiple AZ, multiple EC2 instance, concurrent access, and a big data analytics company, all are pointing to EFS. S3, EBS, none of the above will not be your answer. In this video lecture, we've seen the difference between the EBS and the EFS. Also, we saw some sample questions and some keywords that can help us to determine the right answers. Please do like us and subscribe us if you want to see more videos like this. And if you want us to make a video on a specific topic, please do leave us in the comment section. Thanks for watching.